Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What up? This is a good early morning vlog, guys. I'm on my way back to the house. I had to just drop my daughter off. She had to go to her job today. Well, training. She has training today. I had left a message on my I had wrote on my community post that it doesn't matter how old you are, your kids are, or like when your kids get adults. And I'm pretty sure there's moms and dads out there that are, that can definitely understand where I'm coming from. And the reason why I say this is because when you're a mom or you're a dad, these kids got to understand. And I'm speaking, to my oldest kids, my youngest kids, to everybody. But being a parent, it comes with a lot. It comes with stress. It comes with late nights not being able to go to sleep. It comes with, your child going out, you worrying about whether they're an adult or not. I know that's how I am. And I'm pretty sure, like I said, there's a parent out there, 2, 3, 4, 5, a lot, that can say, yeah, I've been there, done that. It don't stop because they adult. As a matter of fact, you would think that it does stop because they're an adult, but no, it don't stop because they're an adult. Because what it does is, as an adult, they feel like they're adult. So then they can come and go as they please. They could do what they want. But at the end of the day, it's like, especially like, how do I say this? Because I don't want to be rude. I don't want to, and I'm not talking. I've had this conversation with my daughter. She just got back home. And this video, I'm speaking primarily right now about her because she went out last night. And when she sees this vlog, she's probably like, no, she didn't. But yes, I did, darling. Because I need you to know that you really had me stressed out last night. My daughter, my daughter has seizures, and my daughter went to go to New York to go see one of her favorite artists in Brooklyn, New York last night. That's not a problem. She's a grown-ass woman. I have no problem with that. She's an adult. The only problem is she went with my cousin, who's also a grown-ass woman. They adults and everything else. The only problem I have, and that I had, is, I just got back from off the road. I just got back. Actually, I was in New York literally 7 days ago. I just was on the road coming back to Massachusetts, going to, I just did that whole little travel thing. So I get it. I know the time, and I know how it is and everything else. I know that, if you're going to travel and you're going to go from state to state, the best thing to do is to get yourself a little bit of rest, especially if you've been up early in the morning like I'm up right now. And I've been up as quiet as it's kept since 2 last night because I woke up last night, making sure my daughter had made it home. You worry about these kids, so how do I say this? Okay, so I woke up at 2 something this morning. I know that it takes time to get from New York. I know the ride, I know the whole thing and everything else. But my whole thing is, because my daughter's also, she's very strong-minded, as her mom is. They get it from their mom. I get it, I understand it. But in strong will, I get it. She doesn't want to be, held down to live her life. She's still young. She wants to be able to live life. She wants to be able to, and I get that. She didn't, on her birthday, even though she was in Virginia, and we had a good time. We tried to give her a good time on her birthday, but she wanted to go see her artist. She said she wanted to do that in New York. She wanted to see her before, but she didn't get a chance. So her and my cousin went to go see. Now, my cousin drives as well, so I don't, and my cousin knows my daughter, my daughter has her medical issues or whatever. And my daughter, I don't like for my daughter to drive. My daughter, it's been over 6 months since my daughter had her last seizure. It's been over 6 months, and medically speaking, she is able to drive. But it's like, I've had so many issues, and I've had so many scares with my daughter, even with my grandson, which is her son, who also has seizures. He has febrile seizures though. So what a febrile seizure is for those who don't know, is a febrile seizure is a seizure that is caused when one's body temperature escalates at a rapid speed. I think, if I have it right, and I don't want to be saying that wrong, but I'm pretty much sure that that's exactly the definition of it. It's a fever causing, it's a seizure caused by fevers. And what I was told from the doctor is it's not so much of you getting a fever and getting a seizure. What it is it's more so your fever escalating really fast, and then like the brain, I guess it's too fast, which causes the body to seize. So my grandbaby has those kind of seizures, and it's even been a while since he has. God, thank you, please. And I don't want to speak too soon, so I feel like when I say that, the devil be coming right from the cut, like, yeah, you know, trying to stop my little flow, and I don't like that. So the devil's a lie. Stay in the back. Don't come in trying to rain on my parade. But I'm a believe in what I believe in and have faith in. Like I said, God has been watching over both of them, and they've been doing good. That being said, my daughter, and this is what I mean about stress. My daughter literally, like, don't understand. I would not want her to drive, you know. And when they came back finally after me stressing all since 2 this morning, literally bawling, like I was literally livid. I was livid, upset, like words. And my cousin's like, you know, you gotta calm down. My daughter's like, you gotta calm down. You know, we were safe. And I get it, you know, but it's like, I don't have a problem with you guys going out. I don't have a problem with you guys living your life, doing you. I just want to know. That's why. How do I say? That's why there's a such thing as mobile phones. And I hate, you know what I hate? And I get it. Again, I get it. People's phones die. I get it. The whole nine. But you know what? That's why, even in this phone right now, you see this is a charger. It's in my daughter's phone in her car. Cars come with charger ports. Cars come with ways to charge your phone. When you're going out of state, you have to have a reliable vehicle. You have to have a reliable access to phones. You know, people need to be able to know that they can talk to you. You're good from state to state, this and that. So I'm literally calling her all night. I'm calling 2, 3, you know, back to back. Me, my sons, my daughters, we're just, you know, we're calling her. Nothing. Sorry why I take this few minutes of break. The reason why I'm taking this few minutes of break is because it's like, I just want, like, our children, our adult children, everybody, you know, whether you're an adult child, and, you know, you guys got to understand, when you're a parent, the clock don't stop on when you should worry. The clock don't stop on, oh, my daughter's a grown woman and she could, no, but we still have emotions. We still have feelings. We still have stress. We still have, you know, worries about you getting back home safe and sound. And so that being said, just please make it easier for us. Charge your phone. Stop at a rest stop. Go to see if they have charger ports in the restrooms, or go to Dollar Tree, buy one of those throwaway charger ports, put it in the car, so that moms like me don't freaking stay up all night and be stressed out when I already be having problems with sleeping as it is, because I work at night. Like I said, I create at night, so I be up at night as it is. I usually do my sleeping from probably early evening, like I would say 7, 6 to like 2 a.m. That's when I sleep. You know, I do a lot during the days. I work on my business during the days. I'm a mother during the days. I'm a grandmother during the days. I'm a caretaker during the days. I have to keep business appointments during the days. I have to do all that stuff. So just imagine that even though I have to do all that stuff during the days, I also have to still keep my mind like functioning in a stressless capacity to be able to facilitate all those things. That ain't easy. Okay? It's not. So please, minimize the stress, kids. Young women, young men, adult women, adult men, for your parents. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to be ranting all for this vlog, but I just, like I said, I know there's a parent out there that's like, yeah, you know what, you ain't lying. My damn child done had me stressed out, and and I gotta say, they, not that nobody's kids are bad kids, but my kids, they try to, stay doing what's right. I try to keep them with good, compassion, with caring hearts, love, show empathy for people, understanding. And so, they are very understanding and know that, what people go through, and understand, what somebody's, stress capacity is, and what somebody's stress capacity can take. And so that being said, just minimize the stress. No offense, please do. Just minimize the stress. But I hope you guys have an amazing Thursday, guys. Throw it back today. Try to keep your throwback on. This is a My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube vlog, early morning vlog for My Crazy Big Black Family subscribers. And thank you for all the new subscribers on this channel. I'm on my way back to the crib, relaxing. It's gonna be another scorcher outside. I don't know if you can see it in the background, but yeah, it's gonna be another one of them days. So get your hydration on. Stay hydrated, guys. In this type of weather, you must stay hydrated. Water is better. More water would be better. It doesn't matter cold or warm, but just stay hydrated. Liquefy, because the sweat that you put out, you got to replace. We're sweating at a freaking maximum with this kind of weather. So we want to keep ourselves hydrated. We don't want to get dehydrated, end up in the hospital getting tubes because we need to be hydrated. Getting needled because we need to be hydrated. So guys, love you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Throwback Thursday, My Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube. Bye.